Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today I wanted to tell you guys a couple of things that we have going on here at Liquid Concepts. And so we are actually really excited about this announcement that we are now carrying almost all of the Nanochem products. So if you are interested in needing anything for the Hydrographics business with the Nanochem products, you can actually buy this directly from our website. So we have tons of paints that are already up on the website itself. We have a lot of those that are getting added all the time, so definitely check back. Or if there's another color that you are using, definitely let us know. We'd always love to try to get that added to the website as well. You know, their base coats have been really great. We've actually used them for years, and so we figured we would go ahead and add these to our lineup because they are a really great product. We have pretty much switched over a lot of all of our paints that we used to use to the Nanochem line, and it has been a really great product, especially from day one. So currently right now with our base coats, we are offering those as a ready to spray option. So that way it makes it super simple, super easy, and there's no mixing required. So you buy the gallon, you pour in however much you need for the job, and whatever you've got left, you can pour it directly back in the can. So it makes it very simple, very easy. Of course, you can check all that out on the website, and we have it all there. Of course, on top of the base coats, we also have the clear coats as well. And of course, as you can tell, we're going to be offering these, of course, in the gallons and the quarts for sale. And of course, we also do have gloss clears and flat clears, all from the Nanochem line. If you did use a dead flat clear from another vendor and maybe you're having a hard time sourcing it, this is going to be definitely the way to go, because the dead flat clear that we have is pretty much dead flat. It's exactly what you're wanting. You're going to be getting that 1% gloss, which, let's be honest, that's not even a gloss. It's just dead flat and very super easy to use, very user friendly. We are super excited about it. We've been using it, as I was saying, for years, and we have had really great results. So of course, we're adding those into the lineup as well. And so we've got a couple of different things coming in. We've got some actual DEET resistant clears that are on a flatter sheen, so that'll be really great for a lot of the hunters and things like that who need that DEET resistant type of clear, so that way the hunters can go out and they don't damage any of their finishes. That's always a great line as well. And then of course, as always, we do have all of the hardeners and everything like that that you're going to need to add to any of these to make everything work properly. Whether you need a quart or a gallon or anything like that, it's all there on the website. Just definitely check out underneath the clear coats or the paints, and you'll see all of this lineup as well. If you're looking for any of the Nanochem products, definitely check out the website. We're going to have the entire lineup here very shortly. So if you're used to buying those from another vendor or you're having a hard time finding them, definitely check out the website. And as always, if you're interested in using some of these, we have the flat rate shipping, $16.99 flat rate shipping. So that way, if you wanted to add one of these to your order, you already needed some film or something like that, it all ships for the same price. So definitely check that out. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. I know this is a little bit different than our normal tips and tricks, but we wanted to go ahead and put this out there as far as us being a reseller for the Nanochem lineup. We're super excited about it, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. It's a very great product, as well as it has an excellent value for what you're getting. So definitely check out the links in the description below, as well as the website. It's going to have all of that there for you. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.